The new Daiseikai is a premium and state-of-the-art Toshiba air conditioner. The moon-white finish reflects sophistication and taste. The remote controller with luminous buttons delivers a luxurious feeling. A larger LCD panel with backlight for easy use in the dark and user-friendly touch. The new Daiseikai is designed to comply with ERP Lot 10 and achieves both SEER A++ and SCOP A++, which represent the highest level of energy efficiency. The new Daiseikai is a very efficient air conditioner with wider span operating range and more powerful heat. The room temperature is stable for creating comfortable space. Sound level is the quietest ever. The new outdoor unit has a new heat exchanger with optimized refrigerant flow circuit. New inverter software brings a stable compressor operation with significantly less noise and vibration. During the daytime, the new inverter runs the compressor at high speed to efficiently deliver its high cooling capacity. At nighttime, the inverter operates the compressor at significantly reduced speed. The Toshiba air conditioner will continuously operate without the need to start or stop. The new Daiseikai is equipped with a plasma ion charger. Impurities are ionized by the ion charger and absorbed by a new heat exchanger with aqua resin coating, which removes small contaminants that are unable to be caught by filters, then discharged by drain water. The new ionizer system provides pure air and keeps your skin moist. Negative ions create a fresh and healthy environment, absorbing and decomposing smoke, food smells, and any bad odors. With 3D airflow features, the indoor unit provides further airflow and stable air volume in 6 unique patterns. You are able to install the unit more flexibly, as the airflow is horizontally and vertically controlled in the area you are living. The self-cleaning function is designed to reduce the humidity inside an air conditioning unit. 20 minutes of fan operation after shutdown, the moisture will be removed and the moist air will be dried out. With weekly timer features, the Toshiba air conditioner can be programmed with up to 4 different settings in a day and 7 different programs in a week. By running the air conditioner at low heat setting during the winter season, indoor temperature is kept at about 8 degrees Celsius to reduce water freezing inside the building pipes. In tough conditions, you can manually perform a defrost operation. Powerful defrost features allow manual CDU defrost at any time by pressing the remote controller. When choosing to operate the power consumption at 75% and 50%, energy efficiency gets higher. As a result, Toshiba air conditioner is considered power-saving technology. At Toshiba, it is our heartfelt desire to provide the highest quality products and services to customers. Toshiba, we deliver technology and long-term product reliability.